Brazilian wax tutorial for beginners. Tips, do's, and don'ts. Did you know Brazilian waxing searches are higher than ever? If you've ever felt nervous about trying it, you're not alone. We're here to make your first experience smooth and confident. Hi, welcome. Today, we're talking about Brazilian waxing, what it is, why people love it, and how you can feel comfortable doing it for the first time. Smooth skin, confidence, and a positive experience are our goals. Many beginners worry, will it hurt? Will my skin react? Can I do it myself? These worries are normal. It's okay to feel nervous. With the right preparation, a calm approach, and simple steps, your first wax can be comfortable and empowering. Step 1. Prep your skin 24 hours before by gently exfoliating. Step 2. Wash and dry the area. Step 3. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth and remove opposite while holding skin taut. Step 4. Soothe with fragrance-free lotion or aloe gel. Juice. Keep hair trimmed to about 1/4 inch, 6 mm. Test wax temperature. Do a patch test if you're new. Don't wax if your skin is sunburnt or irritated. Don't skip cleaning. Don't use harsh fragrance creams immediately after. Here is a real example. A beginner followed these steps and was surprised by how smooth her skin felt. She was also surprised by how quickly the redness went away. She walked away feeling confident and refreshed. That's the transformation. It's not just hair removal. It's feeling positive and empowered. To recap, prep your skin, follow the correct technique, care for your skin afterward, follow the do's and don'ts. This will make your experience safe, smooth, and empowering. Have you tried Brazilian waxing? Share your story in the comments. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more beginner-friendly beauty guides. We're excited to hear from you.